What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I have a lift from my deload week of my speed and elasticity cycle. So like any other high intensity workout, I started with some knee extension isometrics, and these load and strengthen the tendon, increasing patellar tendon compliancy before the workout. I did some dynamic flexibility to warm up my muscles, and I also did a coordinated warm up with the basketball because it's fun and it further increases tendon compliancy. I did 4 sets of 8 for alternate bounds, and this exercise is really intense because you have to handle an impulse on a single leg and produce force really fast. So it takes a lot of elasticity and it builds the specific qualities for 1-foot jumpers. So next I did 3 sets of 6 reps of hurdle drop jumps, and like the last exercise, you're producing force really fast and the ground contact time is relatively low. So again, it's specific for 1-foot jumping, and the cue that I use for that exercise is don't get stuck in quicksand. To maintain my power output and my Olympic lifting form, I did some hang power cleans. I did 5 sets of 3 reps for this exercise and worked my way up to 150 pounds. So again, this exercise is specific to 1-foot jumping because you're producing a lot of force in a relatively short amount of time and a relatively short range of motion. The power output is there, the intent is there because you really got to move that bar fast or else you're not going to catch it. So that's why I love cleans, and specifically hang power cleans. So this is where it gets a little experimental because I tried some French contrast training, and I first did 3 reps of squats, fast down, fast up, max intent, and specific to the range of motion of a 2-foot jump because I do 1-foot and 2-foot jumping. And then I moved into some seated jumps where the eccentric portion of the jump is removed, emphasizing solely the concentric portion of the jump. And since I paired this with a high object touch, in my case the ceiling, I gave myself a neurological incentive to boost the intent and try as hard as possible. With French contrast training, a strength or power movement is recruiting motor units in a specific movement pattern. With the movement pattern I chose being specific to a 2-foot jump, as you can see with the def of the squat. And then the subsequent velocity movement is utilizing those activated motor units. I finished up my workout with some accessory work. I did some general strength of the posterior chain, specifically the glute medius. That about wraps up the workout, so thanks for watching.